Hello there, my name's Ellie. I live in Oxfordshire. We invented English in Oxford. The purest form of English. This is Ellie England's expressions. Now, I did promise you a beehive this week, but we've gone into lockdown, so there's been a change. Exciting, isn't it? Kill 2 dead birds with 1 stone. I did have the props to hand, but YouTube said it wasn't appropriate due to the circumstances, and Facebook said they might kick me off. Well, they have just kicked ex-President of the United States off Facebook. Anyway, today's expression is kill 2 birds with 1 stone. Not literally kill 2 birds with 1 stone. Meaning, get double results with 1 attempt. Example. Whilst homeschooling, my mum is killing 2 birds with 1 stone by singing rhymes to teach me English and to please my toddler brother. Clever mummy. Mum is killing 2 birds with 1 stone. Daddy is killing 2 birds with 1 stone by working from home and catching up with long overdue DIY. Daddy is killing 2 birds with 1 stone. I am killing 2 birds with 1 stone by doing work on my laptop and playing Minecraft simultaneously on my iPad. I am killing 2 birds with 1 stone. Let me know what birds you're killing with 1 stone. Bye bye.